Flavor just like that.
Oh, the flavor.
This is the.
Oh!
Lovely. Okay.
You finish all the egg yolk. It's yummy. Finish.
Oh my god.
That's it.
You eat. Finish.
I can't. I cannot.
Halo teman-teman semuanya, Assalamualaikum. Sampai jumpa lagi di Ecca House Vlog. Kali ini Ecca mau makan balut. Balut adalah makanan tradisional Filipina yang terbuat dari telur bebek yang telah dibuahi dan dibiarkan berkembang selama 14 sampai 21 hari. Sebelum dimasak ya, telur ini berisi embrio bebek. Sebagian sudah berkembang termasuk paruh, bulu dan tulangnya. Setelah itu diinkubasi dan direbus. Kemudian Ecca mau makan, silahkan.
I delete that channel. Yes, subscribe me.
I subscribed already. Look.
Thank you.
What's
My vlog, ECCA. CCA,
home?
Ecca.
Yes, whatever. If you want, by yourself only.
No, you and me. I watch you. I can't. I can't.
Mama, I wanna watch your.
Yes. Come on, Mama.
Let's go.
So guys, we are going to eat balut. Balut is a traditional food from the Philippines. So this goddamn balut, yeah, this from the duck egg, yeah, and they have embryo inside. Jadi dalamnya itu ada ayamnya, teman-teman. There is embryo inside. So we're going to eat it. Eat balut. We're going to eat balut. Yeah, do like this. Oh my god. So the inside. What's inside? You're gonna drink it?
Yeah. Sip it like.
What you are putting?
Salt. Mama.
I can't.
Do it.
I can't.
Oh! She can't eat that.
You can do. You can eat.
What if she doesn't want to eat?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I want to see how you guys are eating.
So luckily.
What kind of egg is that?
So this, look at this. Look at this. So inside is the embryo. The embryo, my friend. So, oh no. You drink it?
Yeah. Just sip. Just add some salt.
Add some salt. Add some salt.
And
Sprinkle
sip.
of salt.
That's not the
Sip.
cooked one.
It's yum.
Oh, actually, not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad. It's
It's
yummy.
like egg.
Yeah.
Tastes like egg?
Yeah. This is egg.
Oh my god.
And you taste the.
It's a cooked one.
This cook.
This is my first
The one is
time
cooked one.
eating balut.
When you sip like this.
My tummy hurt.
You try eating that first.
It's yummy, the egg yolk. Yeah?
Tastes like egg yolk.
Uh-huh.
Just like egg. Oh my god.
And then you'll see the embryo.
Oh
The duck inside.
That's a baby.
Yeah,
Baby chicken,
the duck,
baby duck.
The duck,
Oh,
the duck,
Baby duck inside.
Baby duck inside. Oh my god.
I can't.
You eat. But it's yummy, the egg yolk. Yeah, try.
Mama. Oh my god.
Mem can eat. She likes it.
But I don't like how it's look. The taste is okay, but how it's look, oh my
Yeah,
god.
I know the look is not good.
You will not eat that one?
I will eat that one. You wanna eat?
You know the taste is like, you know, like blood, like blood.
Blood.
You know, yeah. You know what? If you eat chicken, you vegetarian, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I eat chicken.
Vegetarian. There is a bone. Between the bone, they have a blood.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I make it for my dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The flavor is just like that.
Oh, the flavor.
This is the
Oh.
sorry. Okay.
You finish all the egg yolk. It's yummy. Finish.
Oh my god.
That's it.
You eat. Finish.
I can't. I cannot.
But I don't like this kind of the thing inside. Looks like this one is old.
Old?
Yeah. I could tell, it's not a good thing. Hi,
Come.
it's a balut.
Come.
Our
Away! I don't want to see that.
look, Roxana. You will see how I eat this one. Come on, Roxy.
Oh my god, I really don't know how you eat that. Oh my gosh, Emily.
Look. Evelyn gonna drink
Oh
it.
my god.
I just spit on you.
Ew, you're a cannibal.
Yes. Killing the animals. But ma'am, look.
I knew that she's taking a video.
But I don't like this one.
I'm staying here.
It's already dead.
Already dead, yeah.
She's drinking.
This is the egg white.
You eat the
It's
egg
really
white.
hard.
Even Rosanna likes it very much.
I will die.
Yeah, she's because
And this. Look at this.
No way I'm looking. I'm not looking at that.
And look at this, guys. Look.
I will watch your video in YouTube.
And then
Hey.
later on.
The feather is here too.
It's really better.
And you eat that, huh?
And look at the feather. Bulunya. Look at the feather.
The feather too.
The feather is here too.
And sometimes you can feel
And the bone is tiny.
The bone, yes. Yes.
Look at this. This is the bone. I can feel this is rock.
Look.
I can't.
You're experimenting.
She dissect already.
tasting the
Dissecting.
He's testing.
I'm testing it, and the taste is like, you know, if you eat blood. No. Like when you eat what is cockroach?
What is bakso?
Banh mi.
Banh mi. Banh mi.
Yeah, banh mi they have like a
I don't even
liver
eat it.
spread.
I like the meat well done. If it's any blood, I'm not eating that.
Black pudding.
No way, I don't like that.
The black
No way, I'm
pudding.
Yeah,
eating that.
like black pudding. The taste of yolk is just like a black pudding.
Only if I look at that, I'm gonna throw up.
And you look at the eyes. The black.
And the beak.
You see this? Look at this eyes. This is eyes.
No way.
And this is, where's the beak?
What is big?
The big.
Oh,
Yeah, here.
yeah. This look this.
Yeah, there already look. The beak.
Look.
That already.
It's dark. It's goddamn dark. And see, goddamn idiot.
Dead duck.
Look at this. Oh dear. My God.
I don't know who can eat that.
And look at this thing.
Is it again?
And look at this thing.
Normal egg. I know, but still.
And all the feather is in here. Look at this.
Oh my god. She's doing researching in that now.
Oh my gosh.
And the skin, I can see all the skin and the, look at this, the texture of the skin. God. It is skin. You want to see? You don't want to see? You eat egg too, eh?
Normal egg.
You eat egg too, eh? But no normal egg.
Chicken egg. That's a chicken egg, not a balut.
Look at this skin, balut skin. Oh my god. OMG. I'm gonna... I don't eat it, I just pretend. I can't. If I could, I would. But, oh,
You try. That's egg white.
and this, look at this.
The egg white.
This is first time I actually see. Even I'm so drunk, I can't eat it. I'm sober straight away. Look at this.
She blocked it.
This is the feather. Look at all this feather.
Who cooked that?
Tea for it.
We bought it.
And this one here,
Come in our room. Oh, I believe there's
the white,
balut there.
yang putih, it's rock hard.
Where do you buy these eggs like that?
So,
Vietnamese selling that one.
and this, so we cannot eat this one, eh? Look,
Yeah, you can eat too.
it's like a ball. Woo,
Yeah, you can eat, but it's like
like a ball. You can't even. You can't break it. No.
But sometimes, you know, when it's really
How?
fresh, that one, that's really fresh, it's a bit soft.
Oh, so when it's fresh, it's soft. Wow. This
But
is like
that kind of thing is, I don't like it.
this is how they
That's
protect.
fossilized.
This is how they protect the baby, eh? With this getting hard. Perhaps. Oh. Okay. Thank you for watching my balut investigation.